How to sign in with SSO in HeyGen. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your account with SSO in HeyGen. First, open up any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in HeyGen. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the homepage of HeyGen, and here on the top right corner you can see two different options. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on sign up for free to create a new account, and to log into your account, click on login. If you have signed up with your email ID and password, you can type in your email on this field and type in your password on this field. And if you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password to reset it. Now, to log in with SSO, click on this SSO option. Here type in your email. After you type in your email, click on this continue option, and there type in your password to log into your account with SSO. So this is how you can log in your account with SSO in HeyGen. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.